Hi friends, today I want to share with you my new crossbody. Is this one? Just received today. Look, as this color is beautiful like beige and have these details in brown. This is a strap of my crossbody. Look at this. You just put it in this part and this, whatever you want. I want to use it in this one. This strap feels so strong. It's like a high quality materials. You can adjust your strap. I'm gonna make it some large, and you can use your crossbody like this. Looks beautiful, no? You can use it in the back too, but I like it here. So let me show you the pockets of my crossbody. First one have this here, came with these letters for the mark that looks beautiful, and have this bottom, magnetic bottom here. And you can put things here like your cell phone or something that you need to take easy. Have this other pocket in the back that you can use it for your money. And in the inside, have this big pocket right here. This other here that is for your cards or something like that. And finally, this other with a zipper in this side. So have the number of pockets perfect for all the little things that you need to take with you when you are outside. And let's go use it in the other hole for the crossbody right here. So you can use it in this side too. So it looks beautiful and it's perfect for any occasion or any outfit. So I highly recommend it. See you.